Hi Parkside, really nice to see you. Glad you could join us today. This will hopefully be our last celebration assembly broadcast on YouTube, because guess what? Next week you're coming back. Monday the 8th of March, we all cannot wait to see you. We're all excited about having you back in our classrooms and in our playgrounds, and we just really can't wait. So I'm going to hand you over for now to Miss Warriner and to Mr. Smith, and we'll see you next week. Bye.
Thank you, Miss Cousins, and also thank you to Miss Warriner again for joining me. And you'll also notice we've got a new screen as well, so it's very exciting. So we're going to go with comments from the teachers for what is our last week of home learning. So, Miss, do you want to go?
Yep,
first?
I'm going to start off today with the Year 3 teachers. So Miss Horsham, Mr. Blakeston and Miss Batley. And they are so impressed with your super work with adding and subtracting money. You've all worked really hard and have made great progress, so keep it up. Well done.
Excellent. I've got one from the Year 6 teachers, so Miss Cousins, Miss Warriner, Mr. McMillan and Miss Abbott, and they say we are extremely impressed with the effort and quality of your writing you have produced in your diary entries. We also want to say well done to all the children in school and at home. You've all shown fantastic resilience and we can't wait to see you back in school on Monday.
Excellent. And we really can't. Okay, Year 2 teachers, Miss Zooey, Miss Denbach, Mr. Harness and Mrs. Malan. Fantastic work with multiplication this week and a great start on division, sharing and grouping. Your teachers love how you have represented the calculations and shown your working out. We're very impressed with your science predictions and we can't wait to see what will happen to the plants growing in different conditions.
Oh, exciting. So I got a comment from the Year 4 teachers, so from Miss Tazeo, Miss Doss, Miss Youngman and Miss Pierce. We are very impressed with how you can identify angles and triangles from their properties in maths and in literacy. We love how you have used synonyms to improve your vocabulary. Keep going, well done.
Well done. So Miss Sainsbury, Mr. Neve and Mr. Derrington in Year 5 want to congratulate all of Year 5 on the writing and editing of non-chronological reports. And I believe you've successfully incorporated a number of grammatical and punctuation features. I might be coming and checking that out actually, sounds very impressive.
I've got one all the way down to nursery from Miss Lube, and Miss Lube says, I am very impressed with the healthy food choices you made when you decided what Little Red Riding Hood should take to her grandma. I am looking forward to seeing you on Monday morning. Have a lovely weekend. That's from Miss Lube.
Okay, and finally Mr. Smith and your team, Miss Lucky and Mr. Lovesey, they want to say well done to the whole of Year 1 for the effort for the past few weeks. You've definitely all got a growth mindset. You should be really proud of both your maths and literacy work this week. You've really improved your number, reading and writing skills. Well done for your science work too. We know you enjoyed creating your weather diaries, so well done everybody for all the hard work.
Yeah, and I've got one from the reception teachers, so Miss Ahmad, Miss Danny and Miss Higgins, and they say we are very impressed with your literacy work this week. We have seen some amazing retelling of the story The Little Red Hen, and it has been lovely to see you use your imagination and create your own characters from the story. We are looking forward to welcoming you back on Monday. Okay, so that's from all of your teachers. I have another comment from Miss Pierce. She likes to have a comment on our assembly, and she says a big thank you for all the results and the photographs and the duck designs that you've been sending in. Keep sending them if you want to, and bring them back on Monday if you want to as well. And she says that the sporty duck display is going to be amazing. I can't wait to see that. So give yourselves a round of applause, everybody.
A big well done to everybody.
Big well done. I think we will do our birthdays now. So if it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it is your birthday this week, you can stand up and be proud, and we're going to sing for you.
Happy birthday, dear children.
children this week.
That's
That
excellent.
was very nice.
Thank you very much. Oh, I can see Miss Sainsbury's cheering there. I think we are ready. Anything else, Miss, that you want to say?
No, just to say, you know, can you thank all of your parents and all of your carers, grandmas, aunties, brothers, sisters, everyone that's helped you in the last few weeks with your work and with getting through what we've got through. The response has been amazing. The amount of work that you've sent in has been fantastic. We know it hasn't been easy, but well done to each and every one of you and your families. We really appreciate your hard work. So, thank you. And I think maybe we could have a...
Oh yeah, Miss Cousins does let's have a yeehaw.
So, here we go. Well done.
Okay, I think we can do another song. Rosie,
Yes.
do you want to put that on?
We're ready for the
Thank
final
you.
song. If you're at home, this will be your last song singing at home, so make sure you make it a good one.
Oh, this is a good one.
We
I
love
like
this
one.
song.
Excellent, that was lovely. Some great volume in here, so that was excellent. I hope you were enjoying that at home. That was lovely. Miss, do you want to say anything else?
Well, it's just time to say goodbye now. Remember,
Yes.
I know you've said it before
Yes.
about bringing in your, if you think you've shine points, and
Yes.
your ducks for the duck competition and
Yeah.
anything else. Remember to bring it all in, ready to knuckle down on Monday and get back to school.
Yeah,
Yes.
very exciting.
Exciting.
Okay, so over the weekend, what do you need to remember? So...
Strangers danger, car danger, all my safety.